Many. I'm going to make cookies today.
Cookies today?
This is yummy, but I'm going to put them in the oven.
Okay. So, oh my god. You dropped your cookies.
Okay. I just make a dough again.
Okay.
Dough.
Okay. You're making what? A dough?
I got some dough.
So how many doughs? That's so many doughs.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay.
It's 9. Put them in the oven.
Okay.
But ask your parents.
Oh, you put it in the oven now.
Okay. And we also have a plate.
Okay.
And we also have cup.
Okay.
So I'm going to put them here.
Okay.
So let's put them in the oven now. Be
And
careful.
and how many minutes are we going to wait before it gets
1
cooked?
minute.
1 minute only?
Yeah.
Wow.
How about 10?
Okay, it's up to you.
So let's dance.
So while you're waiting, you're going to dance?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. It's done.
So it's good. Nice.
So I'll get the cup. Now put it in here. Now press the button. Eat! Then now let's eat. And who's going to play video games? Later I'll play video games.
Okay.
You want to try a cookie?
Okay, I'll taste the cookies. Yum, 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 yum. It's delicious.
I know. I also put this frosting.
Okay.
I also put frosting. Okay, good. What's my drink? Taxi, please.
So, are you done with the cookies?
Yeah, so let's make. How about some cake?
Ah, cake. Okay.
That's right, now we get the boo-boo. I got apple. And here's a mixer.
Okay.
It's broken, but I can still use it.
Mm.
We need. I'll get some milk. Actually, I have eggs. Actually, I don't want them. I want the pink one. It's a pink. flour,
So, what are the ingredients of the cake? We need flour,
sugar,
sugar, eggs,
eggs, and milk.
and milk. Okay.
So this is flour. And let's get the milk.
Let's get the milk. The milk comes from the what animal?
That's an animal. It comes from the kitchen.
Ah, okay. But milk comes from the cow, right? Did you know that? Oops.
Yeah. Did you know horse eat grass
Of course I do.
and giraffe eat grass too?
Okay.
They eat the tree. And sugar. The sugar. Now we need the I need to mix it.
Are you done?
How about I want to put some berries?
You want to put what? What?
Berries.
Ah, there is.
Actually, there are strawberries. But I already put strawberries on. I already put berries.
Okay.
Too big.
Bili mo. Kuha mo lang ito. Ikot pa lang ito. So earlier, we made cookies.
So,
Now, you're making a cake. Okay. So, put it back into the oven after mixing. And we have to wait how many minutes? Hey, work!
I'm going to get that shower first.
Okay.
Okay, let's go to the bathroom. Here's the bathroom.
No. So you're taking a shower while you're baking the cake?
Yeah, because I don't want to get dirty.
Okay.
Okay, it's done.
Okay.
Shower. Now let's go.
So let's go back to the oven now and get the cake. I think it's already cooked.
My friend. Are you okay? Yep. He's
that's-
okay. He's okay. He's okay. My friend is okay.
Mm.
Hmm? It's already done up. Cake. So let's make the candles. Making the candles. Here's one candle. Now we have strawberries. Oh, I cut an orange and we make some orange. We didn't make orange juice. So here's the grapes. More strawberries. Yep. sprinkles. I already put some sprinkles. Some more. So I'm going to make the cake.
So the cake is not yet finished.
Yeah, I have to just make. So I have to just cut it. I don't need to cut it first. I need to cut half of it. So let's flex it now. We have rainbow cake.
Okay.
You can also have some because it's so nice.
Okay.
Great.
After you give me the cake, are we done with this? Are we done playing?
No, we have to do another one we have to be later we're going to be an ice cream man before we stop it. Eat the cake.
Maybe we can do the ice cream tomorrow.
I want to do it now.
Okay.
So here's the cake.
Wow, that looks delicious.
It's rainbow.
Wow, that's a rainbow cake.
Yep. Make another slice. Okay. Here
Okay.
we go. This is for me and this is for you.
Wow, thank you so much.
Let's eat them.
I'm going to try this now.
Now,
Yum,
try
yum,
to
yum,
try
yum.
this rock knife one with it.
Okay. So it's the three of us that are going to eat the cakes, right?
Yeah, because he
Mm.
wants a cake.
It's delicious. So, are we done now?
We are full, so let's drink a lot of milk. We have pineapple and strawberries and milkshakes. So I will try the strawberry milkshake and you try the chocolate milkshake and my best friend Eri try the pineapple one.
Okay.
So let's make the milkshakes. Done. Okay, done. Good.
This for me? Okay. Wow.
My turn.
Delicious.
Thank you. So let's make our ice cream store.
Okay. Oh, here.
We need blueberries and lime. I want lime. And here's the super, and here's the spoon. Here's the spoon for that one, and we also have some drinks.
So, this is the last part, right? So,
No, later we're going to make the bakery in this video.